What we got here, Ray?
All right, we are here Kings Harbor neighborhood.
Yeah.
This customer just called me yesterday and they want their yard mowed. Just get it cleaned up. She usually calls the spur of the moment when she needs it mowed. So we're gonna knock this out. It's very overgrown, ditch is overgrown, so it'll probably take me an hour 15 minutes to cut this lawn, and the backyard is overgrown too.
You're a busy man. I'm on like the 4th lawn with you today.
Yes.
That's what people call you. You get it done.
Gotta get it done.
Right?
Gotta make the customer happy.
So you're gonna take all these little flower thingies out? Are they gonna go out the way?
Yes, I gotta get in that ditch with the weed eaters and knock that out. Probably take an hour and a half. Might be 2 hours with these ditches like this.
So even in your zero turns, they like to climb through this?
No, you can't get in there. It's too wet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you get stuck in there. That's why you gotta get the weed eater in your boots.
See, that's what I get by watching these videos. I know nothing, so I sound like I don't know anything about lawns. Most people sound like experts when they're watching videos. That's why I got you. But anyway, so if you go down in this thing with your mower, it'll be too wet.
Yeah, it's definitely.
So would it bog down your motor, or what do it do?
Yeah. Well, it's wet in there. You get stuck. You'll get stuck in there and bog out and tear up your mower. Then you can't mow it.
And then you ain't gonna be able to climb out of there either. You gotta lift that heavy thing out there, and that thing's hundreds of pounds.
Oh yeah, you won't get it out of there. Not these ditches. Some ditches you can go in there, like them ditches. You know, you can get in there because it's more wider.
Yeah.
You can get in there, but this ditch is very deep. You know, and it's short, so you can't go in there and just pull it out of there. So you had to get the weed eater out, clean them up real nice.
Not to mention, we're in the light rain right now. Rain or shine, you come get the job done, huh?
Yes, sir, man.
That's good. That's what people want to hear.
And make them customers happy.
Well, this weekend is like, we get the long weekend. Everybody wants to look pretty. They got their families coming over for barbecues, Memorial Day.
Yeah, Memorial Weekend's coming up. They want them yards cleaned up.
They're all calling. You're getting the calls last minute.
Cooking some barbecue. There, taking down some tall grass.
Tore that up, man.
Yeah, we had to mow it like 4 inches because it's so thick. So now we're gonna go down and lower it down to 2.5 inches and mow it again.
You gotta get a second pass, because if you try to do it all at once, it just bog you up.
Yeah, it'll bog you up, and it's all chunky out there.
Right.
You try to clean it up now, it'll be a little easier to mow.
That makes sense.
Yeah, and it bogs up, you gotta let all the grass out of your mulching kit.
Let me put the specialty in.